Oh, hello. Hey friends. Hey digital makers. Christina here from the Raspberry Pi Foundation team. Thank you for joining us this week for Digital Making at Home. You just caught me in my home. I'm doing a little bit of self-care in preparation for this week's theme of Care for Yourself, which I'm very excited about. This week we are all about taking a mindful minute, trying to rest, relax, and de-stress. So I'm excited to tell you all about the projects we're gonna do. So this week's projects are all Scratch projects in celebration of Scratch Month. With Mr. C, you're gonna learn how to make a bubble wrap project in Scratch. With me, you're going to go on a social emotional chatbot journey. And then with Mark, you are going to create a mindful meadow in Scratch. And of course, once you finish your project, head over to rpf.io/home and share it with us. You can send us a link or a photo, and we'd love to feature your project in our next blog. So this week is all about caring for yourself. I can't wait to see what you create. Talk to you soon.